In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change appearance in Fusion 360. Changing appearance is a quick way to make your model look realistic for presentations or renders, and it also helps you visually distinguish different parts while you work. Let's start by opening the appearance tool. The fastest way is to press A on your keyboard. If you prefer the menu, go to Modify and choose Appearance. This opens a panel where you'll control everything you need. At the top of the dialog, choose the scope of what you want to affect. You can set it to bodies, components, or faces. Bodies components will apply a material to an entire solid or component at once, which is ideal when you want a consistent finish across a part. Faces lets you target individual surfaces, which is perfect for accents, labels, or multi-material looks on a single body. Pick the scope that matches your goal before you assign anything. Next, find the look you want in the library. Use the search bar or browse categories to locate materials and finishes such as polished brass or matte plastic. The library includes a wide range of metals, plastics, woods, and coatings, each with preset color, reflectivity, and texture, so you can get a convincing result without manual tweaking. If your search returns a few similar options, hover over them to preview the thumbnail and read the description to make sure it's the one you want. If a material shows a download icon, it's stored in the cloud and not yet available locally. Click the down arrow icon next to a material to download it to your local library. This ensures it's available even if you're working offline and speeds up the drag and drop process. Once downloaded, you'll see it ready to use immediately. Now, apply the appearance with a simple drag and drop. Click and drag the material swatch from the library onto your model in the canvas. If your scope is set to bodies, components, hover over the body until it highlights, then release to apply it everywhere on that part. If you're using faces, hover until the specific face highlights and release to place the finish exactly there. Orbit around the model to check coverage and lighting. And if it's not what you intended, just drag a different material on top to replace it or undo your last action. That's the whole workflow. Open the appearance tool, choose your scope, find the right material, download it if needed, and drag and drop to apply. With a few thoughtful choices, your design will look polished, communicative, and ready to share.